Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology. Imagine being able to upgrade your gaming PC case with a state-of-the-art touchscreen kit, taking your digital experience to a whole new level. That's exactly what the Hyte Y70 Touch Infinite Display Upgrade Screen Kit for PC case offers, and I'm super excited to dive into its features and benefits. First off, let's talk about the sheer size and brightness of this display. The 14.9-inch screen is not only larger than what you'd typically find on a PC case, but it's also a whopping 43% brighter than before. This means you get a more immersive experience, whether you're monitoring system stats, watching videos, or simply enjoying the visuals of your favorite games. The increased brightness also makes it easier to see what's on the screen, even in well-lit environments, which is a huge plus for those who game or work in areas with a lot of ambient light. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty of the display itself. The Hyte Y70 Touch Infinite display boasts a tall and vibrant 682 by 2560 or 2.5K capacitive IPS touchscreen. With an incredibly crisp 178 pixels per inch, this screen is all about delivering sharp, vivid visuals that make every interaction feel premium. But what really gets me excited is the 10-point touch capability. This means you can use multiple fingers to navigate, swipe, and tap your way through menus, widgets, and other digital elements with ease. It's a level of interactivity that's typically reserved for high-end smartphones and tablets, but now you can have it right on your PC case. One of the most significant benefits of this touchscreen kit is the magnitude of possibilities it unlocks for meaningful digital interaction. With the ability to customize the screen with a plethora of themes, widgets, and more, you can turn your PC case into a command center that's tailored to your specific needs and preferences. Want to monitor your CPU and GPU temps at a glance? Done. How about having quick access to your favorite apps or tools? Easy. The level of customization is staggering, and it's what truly sets this product apart from other PC case upgrades on the market. But here's the thing. This isn't just about looks or novelty. It's about enhancing your overall computing experience. By having a dedicated touchscreen on your PC case, you can offload certain tasks or information to this secondary display, freeing up your main monitor for more critical activities. It's a game changer for multitaskers, content creators, and anyone who wants to streamline their workflow. Plus, the fact that it's a touchscreen means you can interact with it in a much more intuitive way, which can be a huge time saver in the long run. In conclusion, the Hyte Y70 Touch Infinite Display Upgrade Screen Kit for PC case is an absolute powerhouse of a product. With its stunning 14.9-inch IPS display, 2.5K resolution, and 10-point touch capability, it's the perfect addition to any gaming PC setup. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a content creator, or just someone who appreciates innovative tech, this product is sure to impress. So what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on the Hyte Y70 Touch Infinite Display Upgrade Screen Kit and take your PC gaming experience to new heights. Trust me, you won't regret it. This thing is a total game changer. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.